Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we'll explore the problem of finding the longest substring without repeating characters in a given string. We'll discuss the approach to solving this problem and provide a Python code example to illustrate the solution. Given a string, we need to find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Example 1. Example 2. To solve this problem, we can use a sliding window technique along with a hash map dictionary in Python to keep track of the characters in the current substring and their positions. Here are the steps of our approach. Initialize two pointers, left and right, both initially set to 0. These pointers represent the current window of characters without repeating characters. Initialize an empty dictionary, char_index_map, to store the characters in the current substring and their positions in the string. Initialize a variable max_length to store the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Set it to 0 initially. Iterate through the string from left to right using the right pointer. Update max_length with the maximum length seen during the iteration. Repeat steps 4 and 5 until the right pointer reaches the end of the string. The value of max_length will be the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. You can use this code to find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters in any given string. ChatGPT